The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are officially here, and the first question from many of us will be just how can I get my hands on it? The two new phones debuted alongside the Pixel Watch 2 at the Made by Google hardware event on October 4, and both devices were made available to pre-order right away. Pricing for the Pixel 8 starts at $699, while the Pixel 8 Pro will set you back $999. Thankfully, there are a few offers you can take advantage of with most carriers to save some money with a trade-in. Or at least get the $349 Pixel Watch 2 for free if you're prepared to move fast. Both devices plus cases will also be available at the Google Store and the company's retail partners beginning October 12. Google hasn't wasted any time making sure its new devices are available to buy. Pre-orders for both devices were opened on launch day, Wednesday, October 4, with wide availability just over a week later on Thursday, October 12. It seems like Google has got the process down by now, because this is exactly what the company did last year with the Pixel 7. So if you're in the market for a Pixel upgrade, what are you waiting for? The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are supported on all the major carriers. Now that both devices are official, we know the full pricing for Google's new models. The starting price for the Pixel 8 is $699, while the Pixel 8 Pro comes in at $999. In both cases, that gets you 128 gigabytes of storage. If you decide to go up to 256 gigabytes, then you're looking at $1,059 for the Pixel 8 Pro and $759 for the standard model. However, the Pixel 8 Pro can go even higher. If you bump the storage up to 512 gigabytes, it'll cost you a tidy $1,119, while 1 TB pushes that up to $1,219. There are several reasons you want to pre-order the devices, as the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro look like the best phones Google has ever produced. First of all, both the regular and Pro models are powered by Google's new Tensor G3 processor, giving them a major speed boost over predecessors. As you'd expect from Google, the chip is big on artificial intelligence, and we've had an early look at some of the neat party tricks this might result in. These include an Audio Magic Eraser tool, which can extract noisy background sounds from video, and a slightly creepy head swapping tool that can pick the best moments from a series of photos and stitch them together convincingly. There's also a boost to 12 gigabytes RAM on the Pixel 8 Pro, and camera upgrades aplenty. This might also be a phone to last you for the long haul with 7 years of Android updates. Which handset should you pre-order? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.